Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this 2-in-2 bracelet. To make the bracelet, I'm going to use a standard chain nose pliers. 24 10mm silver jump rings. I use a 14 gauge wire to make these, and I've linked the tutorial in the description box. You will also need a clasp, and I've linked a tutorial for this in the description box. I'm also going to use 26 10mm jump rings, and I use a 14 gauge copper wire to make these, and also a bent chain nose pliers. We're going to take a 7mm jump ring, and we're going to add 4 closed 10mm jump rings onto it, then close it. And once you've connected that first 7mm jump ring, this is what it looks like. So now we're going to double that 7mm jump ring, that copper jump ring. So now we're just going to thread through another 7mm jump ring, then close it. Next, we're going to separate the silver jump rings in 2 equal parts. So we're going to place 2 on the left and 2 on the right. We're going to take another 7mm copper jump ring, and we're going to add it through the 2 silver jump rings on the right and close. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to double that jump ring. Next, we're going to add a silver jump ring through those 2 copper jump rings and close it. Next, we're going to take another silver jump ring, and we're going to double that jump ring. And at this point, you can see the pattern that I'm working with. So this is what you'll use until you've made the desired length that you are going for. So the bracelet that I made in this video is 7 inches in length. So if you'd like to have a longer bracelet, you would need to add more jump rings. To finish off the bracelet, I'm going to add 2 7mm jump rings, and I'm also going to add the clasp. Then I'm going to go to the other side and I'm going to add an extra 2 7mm jump rings, and this is basically what I'm going to put the clasp through to close the bracelet when I'm wearing it. This is an easy way to make a 2-in-2 chainmail bracelet. If you've got any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comment section. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.